Can an acne medicine cure male baldness? Well, it can sound weird, but not impossible. Scientists have stumbled upon a curious cure. An acne drug they say can treat male pattern baldness. The topical medication clascoterone, originally approved for acne because of its ability to block androgen activity in the skin, is now being explored for its potential role in slowing or even reversing hair thinning. What makes this twist especially captivating is how a cream meant for teenage breakouts could one day become the unlikely hero for 30 somethings eyeing their widening foreheads in the mirror. So let's know more about it. Cosmo Pharmaceuticals on November 31st reveals that clascoterone, an anti-androgen first approved for acne, has delivered strong hair growth results in two large phase 3 trials involving men with male pattern baldness, also known as androgenetic alopecia (AGA). If regulatory approval follows, this could be the first major advance in topical hair loss therapy in 30 years. The pharmaceutical company shared that when they compared the two sets of groups comprising 50-100 males, one was given placebo, the other was taking the clascoterone. In the first trial, the drug showcased an improvement of 539%. In another trial, the recorded improvement was at 168%. Clascoterone acts locally to block dihydrotestosterone aka DHT at the scalp. DHT is a hormone derived from testosterone which plays a major role in male pattern baldness. In men with a genetic tendency, DHT attaches to receptors in scalp hair follicles, causing them to shrink, shorten the growth phase, and eventually lead to thinning and hair loss. Clascoterone is a topical anti-androgen that works directly on the skin. When applied to the scalp, it blocks DHT from binding to hair follicle receptors, preventing shrinkage without affecting overall hormone levels. As far as the side effects are concerned, the company said they found clascoterone to be safe and tolerable. Despite the headline-grabbing relative gains, several important caveats remain. Like absolute hair gain may be modest. Long-term effects not yet established as trials only ran for 6 months. Not all hair loss types would respond because AGA has a strong genetic component and involves follicle miniaturization due to DHT sensitivity. Clascoterone's benefit will likely be limited to androgen-dependent pattern baldness, not hair loss due to autoimmune disease, nutritional deficiency, or scarring conditions. Hope you found this video informative, and for more such content, keep watching NDTV.